Welcome to Italy, home of pizza, pasta, garlic bread, and Ferrari. Mostly Ferrari, Pagani, and Lamborghini, which is exactly what this video is about. Time for some factory tours. I'm going to give very little context in this intro because the rest of this video is self-explanatory. I visited the Pagani Museum, the Lamborghini Museum, and the Ferrari Museum. And also, once again, apologies for the lack of uploads because it is November, and I probably should have uploaded this video 3 months ago. My bad. Now the journey starts in Bologna, Italy, where after going to Europe car and getting a car for the day, we ended up getting scammed because we rented a Jeep Avenger and instead they gave us this. This is the first time I can say that I've ever been disappointed with a rental car. Wrong side, what are you doing? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Maranello, the home of Ferrari. We need to find a good place to pull over and to park this thing. So far, we've seen an F80 and a Persangway. And a Lusso, actually, don't forget that. Only in Maranello do you just see a Ferrari front end parked like that. Oh wait, no, that was in the Stradman's video. Hold on. I've never seen that. Now we'll be coming back here very shortly to push start. We're gonna test drive. We're gonna attempt to test drive that GTS over there. First I need to park it. Well, park the MG. This is a crap box. As you can probably already tell, I don't exactly like Chinese cars, but oh well. Most important thing, well, aside from my dad humming the F1 theme back there, welcome to push start and warm up. So we got the gift store and we have the test drive. Okay, welcome to the store. Check out these model cars. You have the SF1000, F175, Vettel cars, SF23, and the SF9, so those are the closest first car, the F175 again. This is actually just, oh my lord, look at these cars. I would get one so bad that I'm pretty broke. Now, as much as I wanted to test drive the 812 Superfast, you could only have a passenger, and I mean a singular passenger, because you needed an instructor in the car, so I ended up with a compromise. My time to shine, boys. Lusso has returned. Wait for this thing to launch. Oh, stupid Volkswagen. Oh, I'm gonna run back. I gotta run back in there. Honestly, a Ferrari is a Ferrari, and plus, the Lusso still had a V12 in it, so I was happy enough. Who doesn't love a V12? Never in my life have I done this before, but oh well. A Ferrari's a Ferrari. First Ferrari with a proper infotainment screen. This is a family car.
The red button, start.
Push that.
Yeah.
Yes sir, let's move. Craziest day of my life. I said that 3 times in this entire trip. Monaco, Silverstone, but this is topping everything. Now because my dad was the one driving, I got to film everything, so this is just going to be a bunch of clips of him doing launches and all that stuff, so have fun with that.
If you want me to guess, you tell me, okay? Because I don't know which way is better to guess.
Ferrari wants to average. It's gas.
Okay.
Big round.
We're going to circle back and see all the car spotters in there.
Oh Lord.
That's right.
Oh Lord.
Photographers. Going on a U-turn. Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, Dad. Hear the wind behind me. I should run the mic.
Reduce speed. Reduce. This is 6 gear.
Yep.
Put in the second gear. Now with this button, shift down. What? Gas. Meter the speed, gas. Go. Open.
Oh my god! Oh Jesus Christ, we're going 120! 120!
Now reduce the speed.
Just like that, we have returned. Right, so let me explain. Ferrari is offering a 2.5-hour factory tour, which allows you to get access to the factory, some other places, including Fiorano track. Goodbye push start. I will see that Huracan again one day, aka in my driveway.
Bus inaugurated in 2015, è stato inaugurato nel 2015. Allora da qui Formula One was inaugurated in 2015.
This is the F1 building now. 10 years of operations, and we moved. I'm done recording here. Unfortunately, no videos are allowed or photos because we have a prototype cars in there, so I'm going to cut the recording and describe the experience. So here's how I'm describing the experience. I saw Ferrari Amalfi, a couple of Ferrari 296 Speciales, the new F80, and also they kept yelling Team Haas as Team Ass because they share the simulator at Fiorano, so that was fun. But oh well.
Grazie mille.
That's it, thank you. And we're back. I just want to get TikTok clips. There's kids everywhere.
Okay, I don't want to get rid of the bus.
So that was my bad. We were on a bus tour, not the factory tour, so we didn't get the full 2.5 hours. So the good news is we do have time for the museum, so we're gonna go in. We have the giant F1 car here, and of course, the Belgian Grand Prix on the 27th of July. It is currently, looking at my watch up, it is currently the 11th, so it's a good 2-week break without F1. But no worries, you have service instead. And it was stripped. The 599 Hikers. I'm pretty sure this is a prototype car because I've never seen one of these on the road or for sale. You have La Ferrari components right here. The Hikers engine. So this is the hybrid engine that went into the LAF. You have the power electronics. You have the intakes, everything. You have the electric motor. Of course, you have the engine, the V12. You walk into the next section, you have the tailor-made section, you have an F12, you have a Per Songway, you have a bunch of parts at the back, you have classic car bumper, you have the front wing of an F1 car, and of course the SF90XX. This is absolutely killer. They really did good at this. Of course the Per Songway here too. They're gonna also find, I've summoned to the room all the concept cars. You have the Ferrari SP8. Look at how fat the rims are. It's fat rims. Look at the interior because of course they boarded it out. It's a concept vehicle. This looks a bit meh. And we have the P80C. So this is, I think, a race car. It's supposed to be. So you have the Fiorano track like projection. It's got engine noise in the background. No step. Yeah, it's a proper race car. These are all the Ferrari F1 World Champions right here. Alberto Ascari, Fangio, Mike Hawthorne, Phil Hill, John Surtees, Lauda, Jody Scheckter, and of course, Michael Schumacher and Ferrari's last world champion, Kimi Räikkönen, Carlos! Ferrari's last world champion, Kimi Räikkönen. I don't know what's back here. Oh, it's just another entrance over there. Of course, you got the helmet from, I think, the 2018 season before he left for Sauber. Or Schumacher. I'm gonna get some cinematic clips, so just prepare. So, Special mention to the F2007, Kimi Räikkönen's car, and of course the SF1000, the Ferrari tractor that was 2020. Of course, with the special red livery though. This red is exactly what we want, and I think this is actually the red that they have on the car right now. I don't know how it looks on camera in my other videos, but of course, engines. So there's a bunch of simulators. I might see if I can try that out. Over here you have the 296 GTS, and if you go over here, there is an F8 Spider. You can get a photo opportunity with this. I might actually try to do this, and by try to, I mean I will do this eventually. Hopefully. I did get my photo inside the F8, but as much as I wanted to do the simulator, we were out of time and had to head to Bugatti, so I just left. Goodbye, boys. Formula One car. Adding insult to injury, knowing that I didn't manage to drive an 812 today, so we ended up with the shit box. Well, off to Bugatti. So goodbye, MG. We're gonna go get lunch right here. I want to blow this thing up. Look at that smoke. I'm gonna get back on the road after this. We have a line of supercars. 296, 812 comp from Monaco, 812 GTS, SF90, Ford 8, the 296 GTS, and another classic Ferrari. What is this? And this is Citroen. Gang, here we go. Pagani Automobilia. Is that how I pronounce it? I have no idea. Let's go park this thing. Check this 488 out. It's got the craziest interior ever. Gold rims and look at this, the white pinstripe. Actually, not the pinstripe. I don't even call it a pinstripe, but this is a crazy ass spec right here. That's carbon. Look at this. Okay, let's go inside. Pagani. Now we're about to do the factory tour. Unfortunately, that means no photos, no videos, so I'm gonna dump this here. And we have a coat along the shirt, but look at this. Oh. You got the Zonda. That thing is absolutely glistening. Holy mother of God. Don't bring me back down to earth. We have the Zonda La Monna. You have the Zonda F. Got the Zonda Roadster Cinque. Oh my gosh, dude. What on earth did I just stumble upon? You have the Zonda, we have the Zonda Barchetta. I have that in Driving Empire. Well, I don't, my friend does. Huayra BC. And of course, the Zonda R. What have I just stumbled upon? Now, this is a Pirelli car, as you can see up there. Pirelli. Imagine Pagani Formula 1 team. I'm dreaming, but oh well. Pagani's really gone above and beyond. We have a full carbon Huayra, and this is a die-cast car. I need to go find my dad. We have a bus to catch to the factory. There's a 296 out there. Oh my God, okay. There it goes. And it's U-turning. Okay, never mind. Alright, so I just got out the factory tour. The amount of Pagani Utopias in there is actually insane. I've seen like a blue carbon one, another blue carbon one, there's like black ones as well. I can't say too much. All I can say is I did touch the mirror of a Huayra, a full carbon one, and I'm freaking out. Dude, that was actually so sick. This is so cool. So I stole this thing. It's a map. Or something, that's a guide. Alright, goodbye Zonda. I will see you one day. In 30 years, maybe, I will come back here and I'll be buying a car. I wish. If I have money, I'll come back and buy a Pagani, because the amount of, like, specifically designed Utopias in there, it just makes me want to get one so badly. I want a Pagani now. I really want a Pagani. Did a bit of shopping. Alright, one more stop tonight, and then I gotta go return my box to Lamborghini. Let's go. Oh my God, it's not an auto trunk.
No, it's not.
They said this car was modern. It's old. There's a huge traffic jam out there, but ladies and gentlemen, Lamborghini. Okay, no. Final one for the day. Lamborghini. All right, let's get in there. Let me feel the AC. That's good. Check this out. You have a giant history wall of each car's production. Right here, the 1970s, you have the Countach, the Miura, the Espinons, I think that meant the Rocket Espada, LM002, Diablo, Audi, Murcielago, Gallardo, Aventador, Huracan, and right here, the 2025 models, full hybrids, the Revolto, plus, what is it? Oh, the Temerario. That's how it is. All right. Also, check this out. Lambos. Early generation Countach right here. Without the wing, of course. And of course, you have the Espada and then all the other cars along there. You have, I have no idea what this is actually. I think this might be the Rocco. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just such, I don't know, it's a Lambo. Yeah, it's the Rocco. You have an engine right here. This is a I've got no idea. I'm not going to say anything. You have the LM002. This thing's actually a tank up in person. There's a vending machine. Okay, the Urus is slammed to the ground. I don't even know if you can see that. It is low. Also, there is a Super Trofeo right there. I'm staring at a wall of hypercars right now. Reventon, Sesto Elemenento. I think that's how I pronounce it. I got no idea. Veneno, Centenario, Sion, and over there's the brand new Countach. Well, it's not actually that new. You got the supercars right here. SVJ, Performante, Gallardo STS, Mercy SV, Diablo SV. Just gets better and better. You can hear Huracan GTO cars in the background because that's in the simulation. Anyways, let's nerd out. Countach LPI 800-4. The Countach is one of the coolest cars ever. The new one's actually really, really nice too. Like the old one's classy, but the new one is just, the new one's on another level. It's fancy. It's got the red interior. It's got the white paint. It's got the nice rims, and it's got the Sion taillights. The Sion, the FKP 37, I think it's called, is just stunning. My friend has a Lego set version of this. You have the carbon right there, 63. Of course, that's Lamborghini's number, 1963, and also George Russell, but that doesn't really matter. Centenario right here, like I said, Ferruccio Lamborghini's 100th birthday. That's why they celebrated it. Right here, the Veneno, just a super, super menacing car. I remember driving this thing in Asphalt 8 all the time as a child. You got the Sesto Elemento, finally got it right, which is like race focus, and of course the Reventon back there, which inspired the Aventador, kind of based off the Mercy chassis. Diablo SV right there, Mercy SV, Gallardo STS, Huracan Performante, SVJ, and a Urus, which is slant. Alright, full honesty, Lamborghini's a lot smaller than I thought, so we're gonna say bye to the Veneno, and we're gonna go find a gift store, if there is any. I gotta go ask some people. It could be this way. I don't know. The brand new Revuelto. This is the Revuelto in production, of course. You have the vending machine. You can get coffee for 80 cents. Then here's the exit. And then we're gonna go find the gift store. It's on the other side, apparently. I've heard so. Gotta do a bit of hiking. LM002 right here, though. Peak. This is peak Lamborghini. They were, like I said, I don't know if you watch the Striving videos, but they're gonna make this for the US military, and they didn't. So now it's a production car. Let's go. Shaboink. Ow. You have a lanyard. Oh, actually, I might need this. It's actually important. Hold on. Well, a successful day of car spotting, and a successful day of car museums. Spin this thing. It's a Countach poster. €9, man. Also, 2 Urus SEs in the car park. Welcome to Lamborghini. Well, from what I can say, it's a very successful day here at Bologna, Maranello, and wherever Pagani was. I forgot the name of the town. Well, a successful day in Italy. We drove Ferrari. We took a bus to do a Ferrari factory tour on a bus. We went to the Pagani Museum, did a factory tour, and then went to the Lamborghini Museum and bought a Countach poster for €9. Also, this is the LPI 800, the new Urus. I mean, the new Countach. What am I doing? I can't speak English right now. But yeah, that is effectively going to end today's video. So you know the drill. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you for a little more long form content. I have a video from like 2 months ago that I never edited, so I might actually get that done. Yeah, I have a hint. There's a conic in it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. The Chinese car, the MG4. Okay, no, that is no. What the is wrong with me? Yes, that is a mobility scooter on public roads. But wow, look how tight this is.